Hi Sarah, I thought this might be a little easier to explain than a bunch of random photos that may not make much sense. So this is the driveway where I was parked, and the plan would be to connect, we have a temporary point of connection, 3.5 gallons per minute of max flow here at the faucet next to the sidewalk, and that would come around up to here, and this would be a valve location. We'd have 3 valves, and I'll explain that in just a second. And that would extend over to this side where we would have another valve location, 2 valves. Again, I'll explain that in just a second. And we'd come to this other temporary point of connection. And here we got just shy of 4.5 gallons a minute, so I'm going to go with 4. Okay, let's back up to the valves. So we're at the northwest corner of the pool. We'd have 1 valve that would feed these heads numbered number 1 in these locations over to here. We would have a second valve in this location that would feed, here we go. Number 2 would be these 2 sprinklers. This would be all the way out in the northwest corner. Number 3 is here, 1 by the pump, and then 1 about halfway down to the bare area here. Then 4, because of water usage on these full circle heads, we'd have 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, and that valve would be in this location. And the final valve would be in this narrower area over here by the front porch, and that would do some pop-up sprayers that are 6 inches high, and they have a rotating nozzle on the top to provide the water out to the distance needed. And that would all be underground, but the same positioning of all the pipe would be just as it is here. Valve locations would remain the same if you wanted to do the above ground temporary system. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.